So as you can see, I have it here. I'm done wrapping my iron, that's my copper metal, to the Alice band. I'll set it aside. Now I'm taking my pieces of fabric. I want to wrap my Alice band. So I'm going to be dividing it into two because being one like that is very big, and I want to make sure I wrap everything. But please, you can cut out a straight pieces, a longer pieces. Why I'm dividing, why this looks pieces, because this fabric is actually short. It's small. I just took a pieces from my leftover asooke. So you can see I'm using the side that we cut out from. I'm trying to place it inside so that we are going to be wrapping over it. So you can do it like this. Then you start wrapping it. Please follow the procedure you see here and keep wrapping it. So you can actually cut out a longer measurement of asooke if you want to wrap this. You can use to be on a safe side, please use 40 inches. Then you divide it into two. Then you start wrapping. It is better it is excess than it is shortened. So please, that's just what you do. You keep wrapping it in circular motion like this, and ensure you're pulling tight while wrapping. You pull it very tight so you don't lose the pleats. So you wrap it till you get to the other end of the Alice band. Then I'll show you how to attach the rows onto the copper wire we have hanging there. If you want security, you can also use your glue gun to still hold the copper very well if you want it to be more secured, to double check. But for me, it is fine with the rope I have here. So you can see my fabric was short in here. I have to use my gum to hold it down there. Then I completed it and I'm tacking it down. You see what I'm doing? I'm tacking the edge there with my needle and thread. I'll tack it down there to secure it. And that is that on how to wrap your Alice band for the Pecha asooke. You can see here I'm done wrapping it, and here I have it. You can decide to attach your elastic. You can decide to attach your elastic at the tip of the Alice band so you get it secured. So here I'm taking out the pins I use in holding down my net with the roses because I want to tack it. So you take your time gently and you tack through. Arrange it properly. Arrange the net properly very well. Then you tack through. This is how we'll be placing it in between the what's it called, the copper. This is how we're going to be fixing it. Then we'll tack it to it. Use your needle and thread and sew it. Ensure when you are sewing this, you're picking the asooke, the net, and you're sewing it over to secure it. After doing this, you can still use your glue gun to hold it in place. Sorry, it fell down. I have to pick it up. So you still use your glue gun to hold it down for security purpose, like so that it doesn't pull out or it doesn't move out of that place. So you use your glue gun to hold it down. So you see the way I'm tacking it like this. You see it? So that is just how you do it. You tack it like that, or you use your gun to hold it. But please, I prefer stitching and stitching. Even if you use your gun, still tack it so that it's going to be double secured. You can see I'm done tacking. Then I've brought my second rose and I've placed it over it. So like I'm pointing, you'll be tacking all those places, tack in between also to come out from the other side. So you'll be tacking all these things to secure your two roses together. So I'm going to show you how I tacked them. Then I'll be trimming the net. When I'm done, I'll trim off the net. You trim it off to get a fine finishing. So basically that is how you achieve your picture. You can decide to add an Alice band and elastic at the tip of the Alice band, like I said. So here you see how I tack it. When tacking, please tack slantly. Tack slantly and ensure that your tacking is invisible. It is as hidden as possible. So basically that is what you will do, and that's how you're going to achieve your picture. Thanks for watching this tutorial and God bless you. I hope to see your trials and your pictures for review. Thank you.